Hello and welcome everyone. I'm here at Costco and I found this. It's Pani Puri and I'm so surprised that more and more Indian items are being sold at Costco, so I had to grab it. And this is a value pack. It has a 3 boxes for the price of $6.99, about 200 pieces in it, and I had to get it. So without any hesitation, it straightly went into my cart. So I brought it home and look at these. These are round, perfectly round, and I prepared everything for the Pani Puri night. And I'm not waiting. So this is the mint and cilantro and green chili water. This is the soul of the Pani Puri. And then I prepared some yellow peas which I boiled and spiced it up. And then I have a sweet chutney which I have a recipe here. This is without tamarind, to top with like cilantro and chopped onion and save. So let's get started. I'm going to assemble and I just can't wait. So they are perfectly round, super light, and listen to the crunch. It's super crispy. So let's assemble this. First I'm going to add the yellow peas and then all the toppings. You can add or omit whatever you like, and you can also use boiled potatoes with it. And I'm just going to taste it. It's so tempting. And it just burst into the mouth and amazing. The shell is actually very impressive. It's super crispy, but it's not weak. It's holding all that stuffing and it's not collapsing. So I highly recommend it. So try it, look for it at your nearest Costco. And check out the other food items that I have reviewed from the Costco, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.